Glen Cove is often coined as Vallejo's hidden gem because of its majestic views of the Carquinez Strait and Bridge, its waterfront park and award-winning marina, and the coastal hiking and biking trails. Today, let's take a deeper dive into all that Glen Cove has to offer, including home styles, home prices, and its surrounding amenities. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Erika Monroe. I'm a realtor in the Bay Area and I specialize in Solano County. Glen Cove is one of Vallejo's most desirable neighborhoods, and it's located at the southernmost tip of Vallejo, nestled right next to Benicia. And in fact, Glen Cove is often compared to Benicia for the same communal coastal feel without the Benicia prices. Glen Cove consists of about 20 different developments, many that have stunning water views or views of the surrounding hills. The majority of the developments were built between the 1970s and 1980s, so the neighborhoods are more established, but I wouldn't consider them to be older homes. Most homes in Glen Cove will feature a formal living room, a formal dining room, a semi-open concept kitchen to family room. I say semi-open concept because the kitchens are either galley kitchens or sometimes they're a corner kitchen with a peninsula that looks out into the family room. I found that most homes have updated flooring in the common areas, as well as tall vaulted ceilings with lots of natural light pouring through. Most of the time windows are original, but they are double pane and typically in very good condition. Original tile in the kitchen and bathrooms. Cabinetry is almost always original, but perhaps you'd have an updated countertop. It's rare to see a fully remodeled, renovated home unless you're purchasing a flipped house. Glen Cove also houses several more single-story homes than many of the newer developments of Vallejo. Single-story homes will range anywhere from 1,100 square feet to about 1,800 square feet, and two-story homes often range from 1,600 square feet up to about 2,700 square feet. Because of being a more established neighborhood, lot sizes tend to be more generous. On average, for homes sold in 2022, lot sizes were around 7,000 square feet, and I know some of my clients have enjoyed purchasing homes with lots larger than 1/4 of an acre. Speaking of homes sold in 2022, what can you expect as far as home values? Well, the average home sold for about $700,000, featuring 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, roughly 1,600 to 1,700 square feet. Now, as I mentioned, most homes were not fully renovated, and in fact, many were original finishes, so it may have taken a buyer who had some vision. Homes that were fully renovated definitely tipped the scale as far as price points and landed closer to the 800,000 marker, with the highest price point sold just over 1 million. Glen Cove has a community association that's strictly run by volunteers of every development, and it's a way for the community to have a connection, an open forum to discuss or address any issues, and it's a great resource for residents living in Glen Cove. Glen Cove is an incredibly commutable city. You can hop on to 780, which will take you to Benicia in about 10 minutes, or it'll connect you to I-80, which will take you anywhere you need to go. Costco is about 10 minutes away. The Raley's in Benicia and all the restaurants that Benicia has to offer, also about 10 minutes away. And Glen Cove does have its own shopping center, which features a Safeway and a delicious sushi restaurant that I might frequent a little too often. Glen Cove has waterfront parks with access to the beach. You've got hiking and biking trails. There's community tennis courts. There's so much that Glen Cove has to offer, and for what one would consider affordable prices for the Bay Area. If you have specific questions about Glen Cove, you're hoping to purchase a home there, or perhaps you're ready to downsize and sell your home, please feel free to reach out to me at erikamonroe.com.